Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be unboxing the sage green Telfar bag that recently dropped a few weeks ago. I received the bag really quickly. My order was confirmed on the 9th. I received a shipping confirmation on the 10th, and I received my bag on the 11th. I have a medium Telfar bag in Oxblood, which I absolutely adore, but I was telling myself that I do kind of want a smaller bag. I first saw this bag on the latest season of Insecure, and I saw Issa wearing it in a couple of shots, and I was like, this bag is gorgeous, I have to have it. So here she is, still in the box. I'm going to open her up now. This is what she looks like. We have our plastic shopper bag that she comes in. There is a cloth bag that you're able to keep your little tote in. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's small. She is really small, and it's so funny that I actually got the bag in this size because I'm going through a phase where I'm trying to find like bags that fit me, and I realized that I don't want to say that I carry a lot of things, but I like having my essentials on me, and this is definitely like a date night bag or just a bag that you're not going to be carrying a lot of things in. And there are her straps. Aww. She's at the $150 price point range, and because of her price being $150, that's why I started my journey off with the medium shopper. One, because I felt like the medium shopper I would get more bang for my buck, and if this was going to be my first Telfar purchase, I wanted the bag to be able to hold a lot of things, and it does. As you can see by the inside here and the little zipper part here. She's definitely small. My head is honestly bigger than the size of this bag, but I love her. She's so cute. One thing that I immediately noticed about the inside is that there is no zipper compartment, which the medium bag has, but on the inside we have our Telfar Clemens insignia on the bag, and I would say that the inside of the bag is like an olive green. I'm going to insert myself outside with the bag so you could get like the full scope for the sizing of the bag. This is gonna be fun. Let's see what I can fit in this Telfar bag because she's tiny. Starting off with number one, we have my keys. I know you guys are looking at this and you're like, why do you have so many things on your keys? As a young woman in New York City, I feel comfortable carrying these items on my keys. It gives me a peace of mind knowing that I have this in my pocket because sometimes trouble just finds you, and I never want to be in a situation where I feel like I can't protect myself. Do I ever plan on downsizing my keys? Probably not. So let's see if she fits in there. I hope so. I would just like... The keys fit. I have some hand sanitizer here. Maybe I'll just lean it up to the side like so. I'm gonna use my Pinkberry card. If I had a card to carry with me, this bag does not have like a little zipper compartment, so you would want to carry a very small pouch that you could keep your cards in, your ID with you. I can't find my little pouch that I typically use, so I'm just gonna slide her in here. And we have some headphones. I'm still tethered to the cord. I don't have AirPods. What I would do, I would go to the beauty supply store and buy another container like this and put my shea butter mixture in here, and I would use that as lotion. I feel like these are good essentials. Place her on top like so. If I do just want my phone away, I definitely can just squeeze her down to the side and she fits in the bag. I can't close her, but I feel like the only way to close this bag is if I just had my keys at the bottom of the bag. That would probably be the only way that I would be able to close this bag. Something that I also just wanted to quickly touch upon, the Telfar bags do not have a cardboard bottom. I don't even know what it is that they put at the bottom of the bag to give it its shape. For my larger Telfar, I definitely want to get a bottom for the bag because when I'm carrying things, sometimes it could just like poke out, and I like having a neat bottom. For my smaller Telfar, I don't think that's something that I'm gonna do, mainly because it's so small and it's like, what am I carrying in my bag that's gonna be making it poke out at the bottom? As you can see, I have all of my items inside and it has its shape, so I don't think that's something that I'm gonna do. In comparison to my medium Telfar, there's definitely a noticeable size difference. But this one is really cute, and I actually see myself using this bag for like my weekend adventures. I could see this as like an all year round type of bag. I really like the color. I think that this bag can really pop in the springtime, definitely in the summertime. I just had to get her after seeing Issa debut her during her new season, and also because, you know, support Black businesses. I love unboxings. I think they're super cool. It really gives me the insight and the detail needed for me to make my purchase for a bag that I'm interested in getting. I definitely did my research by seeing what fits into a small Telfar bag before buying it. In terms of my initial thoughts, I definitely think she's small, and it's not going to be something that I'm going to be able to use all the time, but there are definitely times where I am not in the mood to bring a shoulder bag and I do not want to carry a lot of items. Sometimes I just want to carry the essentials. I absolutely adore this bag. I'm super happy to have her, and I think she's a great piece to add to my collection. Be sure to check out my lock page, Jazzy's Locks. I like to post uplifting quotes and just more behind the scenes on my hair if you're interested in finding out what I'm doing and just how I've been maintaining it and how I'm styling my hair at the moment. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to social distance, continue to wash your hands, be safe, and enjoy this holiday season. And I will catch you in the next one.